guys, we are in Stuttgart, the mother city, the Janbhumi, Matrabhumi of Mercedes. So we have a Mercedes E-Class and we are off to somewhere, different. So this is what we are driving now. And this is my colleague, Robin. He'll be with me for the entire trip. You guys have planned this trip, so let's go, Robin. Guys, this is Switzerland. So this is a very good afternoon, actually a late morning, where after a long time we are able to be in the sun.
That too 15-degree.
This is the first time in Europe I've seen 15 degree in 2016, I mean.
That's the tunnel we are entering into currently. Currently, we are traveling from Switzerland back to Germany. That's the speed we are going into.
It's 99 km per hour because this is the speed limit in this road. You cannot go more than 100.
100 know about this vehicle because I have not planned to take this vehicle. Now, when I will be, in peace, then I will find out the details of this vehicle, more details, I mean. But this is a very good vehicle. I am loving it to drive. The only thing what I was planning to take is a manual drive, but unfortunately or fortunately, we got this automatic drive. But this is also amazing. Automatic drive is also amazing.
Good.
So that's it.
Okay. Tell me more about Zurich. I mean, since you've been to Zurich, what did you like the more, and what you did not like?
Dude, I would first comes to Crons, then to Pros. It's damn expensive.
Okay.
It's
Keep saying, sir.
damn-
I want to
it's damn
get some
expensive.
attractive view.
It's damn expensive. I thought Germany is expensive. Berlin, Frankfurt is okay. I mean Stuttgart, But when we turned up to Zurich,
It's way expensive than Germany,
it is.
and also they use a different currency.
Yes, they have Swiss francs. Yeah.
So that is also expensive. But people who live here, yes, it's good for them because they earn that much and they were able to.
That's what I'm
Accommodate
trying to say.
their
Like,
expenses
if you want to earn more money, right? If you
Yes.
want to earn more money, if you want to save money, work in Switzerland.
Yeah, it's the best thing. I mean, rather than Europe, I think.
Yes, I mean in entire Europe,
yeah, wherever a country which is using euro, which is a less cost than
Swiss
Zurich franc.
Yeah.
So I think it's better option to work in Zurich or
Yes,
maybe in Switzerland, any part of Switzerland.
Absolutely.
So what you did not like? Zurich.
Zurich, I mean, the first day when we went there, it was like raining for the
Yeah,
entire
it
day,
was-
but
and
still
the
we
next
were,
day.
yeah,
Yeah.
but still we were managed to roam around places. Secondly, the entire city, it's, I mean, the roads and all are under construction.
Yes.
Due
it
to
is
which
good.
we were not able to drive properly, so we were supposed to park the car in the in the hotel garage, and thereafter we took a taxi. And when we paid for the taxi, I was amazed.
Yeah,
I was surprised actually.
it's too much. Yes.
It's I mean it's like driving for 15 kilometers in a taxi. If we count in Indian currency, it's like 2,500 rupees.
Oh, that's too much. Nice tunnel.
In 1 kilometer, continue on E41.
People, yeah, Zurich is the best place to visit. Yes, we do have Indian restaurants there. We had our nasta, especially the samosa chaat. It was good. People who love to visit Europe, make sure you get a chance to visit Zurich.
And carry
Nice
carry lots of money.
Yes, please.
Continue on E41.